how to create Bet365 account. So if you want to create Bet365 account, then first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you need to open up your browser and search for Bet365. After searching, now here you will have Bet with Bet365. So go with that, which is www.bet365.com. And now you just need simply go with join, which is on the top right, in order to create your account. Now, first select your country of residence, go with confirm, select the province, and then enter your email address on the first one. Go with your mobile number, and after entering your email and your mobile number with the country code, you just need simply go with your first and last name, your date of birth. Now, after entering your country of residence, your email address, your mobile number, your gender, your first and last name, your date of birth, your occupation status, and after that, go with continue. And you need to enter your address. After entering your address, you need to go with the control section. It will take you to the controls, and after that, it will take you to login details where you need to create your username and your password. And after that, your account will be created. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.